In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show a discount on a product page in Shopify. Start by opening your Shopify admin and go into admin.shopify.com. Once you're signed in, look to the left sidebar and click Products. This opens the area where you manage everything related to what you sell in your store. Next, click Add Product. You'll now be on the product creation page. The first thing to enter is the product title. Click into the title field, then type the name of your product slowly and clearly so it appears exactly as you want it shown on the product page. After that, move down to the pricing section. In the price field, enter the lower amount you want customers to pay. This is the actual sale price that will appear as the current price on the storefront. Click into the field and type $49.99 if that is the amount you want to use. Now look for the Compare At option in the same pricing area. If the Compare At price field is not already visible, click Compare At to reveal it. This field is used to show the original price before the discount. Click into the Compare At price field and type the higher original price, such as $79.99. This is what Shopify uses to create the crossed-out price on the product page. Then check the price field again and make sure it still shows the lower sale price, such as $49.99. At this point, it's important that the Compare It price is higher than the price field. If the original amount is the same as the sale price or lower than it, Shopify will not display the discount styling or the strike-through price on the product page. Once those prices are entered correctly, go to the top right corner and click Save. Shopify will save the product with the sale pricing attached to it. On the product page, the original higher price now appears with a strike-through, and the lower sale price shows beside it. Many Shopify themes also display a sale badge automatically, which makes the discount more visible and easier for customers to notice right away. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. That's how to show a discount on a product page in Shopify.